Oh, I've gone the wrong way.
I'm sorry, I broke away.
Nice.
This is getting painful.
So, for those of you that have been around on the Lakerpad YouTube channel, you may have seen a video recently where I went to Center Parcs with my family.
We were waiting. Is that like a vaguely racist joke at the people?
No, it wasn't.
In that video, I recounted a story from my time at Center Parcs wherein my phone got completely shafted. Headed towards the outside pool when I felt in my pocket and pulled out my phone.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get in.
Which has been fully submerged into the chlorinated outdoor swimming pool. I dropped it into a pool. So for the last week or so, I have been completely phoneless. This was my old phone. It was an Honor 8X, and it served me well, and it worked flawlessly until I dropped it into a pool of chlorine. So, for the last week, I have been suffering the fate of not having a phone. And I would have never realised how difficult it actually was to survive without having a phone. I tried to log into XSplit to record a video earlier the week, wouldn't let me log in because I required the authentication app through Google, which was on my now dead phone. Another big issue I had, I wanted to check my bank because I needed to buy a new phone as quickly as possible. I tried to log into my bank through online browsing. HSBC require authorization through your phone to log into the online web browsing. I could either use the online website, which needed my phone to log in, I could use my phone to access it through the mobile app, or I could call them. Nice system, lads, well done. So it was due course and time for me to get a new phone. Having worked around all of the hassle of the bank and the authentication, I managed to visit our boys at John Lewis. So, I've shaken the box already, off to a bad start. Now, I've never been an Apple boy, you know? The constant swaying from all of the people, the constant pushing and pushing and pushing, get an Apple product, go to Apple, get an Apple product, finally did my head in. And so I bought an iPhone 13 mini, which we will be opening right now. If I can get into the box. Give me the money, show me the money. Oh God. He's dead. I can't open the box for fucking... Just keep pulling off tabs. Hooray! I got one. Okay. Whoa. Here we go. Now we'll take a look inside. Ooh. I had a couple of reservations with the phone that I got. One, with the lack of headphone adapter. Because... my headphones, like every other set of headphones on Earth, they use a 3.5mm jack. For some reason, the geniuses over at Apple decided that they needed their phones to be even thinner. And as a result, they just fucking got rid of it. They just gave up on it. So the first thing I ordered with my phone was a lightning to headphone jack, which was like £8. For this fucking thing. The one, guarantee is that it will probably be reasonable quality. Made by children, but reasonable quality nonetheless. That's not slander. Don't sue me, Apple, please. I also decided while I was at it, because, I was going whole hog, that I would buy an AirTag as well. I want to see how they work. I've seen people that know them. I've got a backpack over here. This is my backpack. I want to see if anyone tries to steal it. And finally, we get onto the main event, the main product itself, a receipt. Fuck off, box. We don't need you in these parts. But here we go. I went for an iPhone mini, an iPhone 13 mini in vomit green. Vomit, my favourite colour. Normally in these things, people don't swear quite as much, but this is the Lakerpad YouTube channel, so I apologise. Okay, so we've removed these tag things. There are like tags. There are tags on the back, the little green dudes that we have successfully removed. Beautiful. It's vomit green, as proven. Watch me drop it immediately. We got the vomit green dude here. Another thing I didn't actually think to buy in the moment when I was buying this brand new phone was a damn case for it. So I might. Oh, why am I so stupid? It looks nice. It looks good. Let's take it out and show the people at home. Look, there's a screen. I can't do this all at once. I don't have enough hands. I'm not a fucking octopus. I do have to admit they are nice, and I think I actually prefer the mini because it fits better in your hand. But yeah, this is nice. This is good. I've already got fingerprints on it, but it's all right. It's okay. What else do we get? What else do we get? We'll put the boy on the side very, very gently because I'm an idiot. Don't attempt to replace the iPhone battery yourself. Try me. So here we go. We got the nice thing over here. We got the whoa, beautiful. I can't open this for shit. Is what we're saying. Oh, it's got another little thing. You know, I can always appreciate when packaging makes it easy for you to open it. This is a new industry that I've never experienced before, except from about like 8 years ago when I had an iPad mini. Let's turn him on and see. It actually started, unlike a certain phone we know. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Set up manually, like a scrub. I gotta enter the password for the Wi-Fi. I'll be back. Okay, so the Wi-Fi connected successfully, but oh, it said it would take a few minutes to set up. Then move your head in. Oh, fucking hell! This is. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, are you shitting me? Seriously, you want it here? Apps and data. Restore from iCloud, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly, move data from Android. Oh, you don't remember my Apple ID. Oh god. Do I have it written down somewhere? Oh, I gotta reset my Apple password. Oh god, I don't remember which email. It was this one. Oh god, past me, you're a genius. Time for a surgery. So, step one. Open this up. So, as you can see here, I have brain deficiency. Don't try this at home. Come out wherever you are. I've just pushed it back in. Hooray! We're in! The surgery is successful. This one we have to be much more delicate on. It's turned on. It's turned on accident. Fucking hell, this is like a arm operation. Alright, Commander. We gotta get this SIM card into the thing. How in the name of Allah do I do this? Hooray! It just needed a little bit more oomph. Great success! The surgery was a success, Doctor. I've had this thing like an hour and it's already messy as hell. Hey Siri! It worked. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Oh, fucking hell, this is like a reading exercise. Hey Siri, set a 3-minute timer. I fucked it up. How is that even possible? Welcome to iPhone. Oh my god. Swipe up to get started. Oh my god, I'm in. At last. After almost an hour, we're in. Look at it. It's pretty nice. It's pretty good. I like it. I like the way it feels. I like the way the keyboard works. It's pretty nice. At the end of the day, it's just a phone, isn't it? So, I have got everything set up. Everything is good. I've fixed my bank, fixed the authenticators, got in. Everything is running smoothly, and I've got to be honest, it's nice. I like it. I do actually enjoy it. I just thought I would test out the camera to see how it is, and it's very, very high quality. It's very good. Like I said, this is the tiny version, but it's got the same processor, most of the same things. It's got the same amount of memory. It's just got a slightly smaller battery. Than the larger model, and is in a slightly smaller case. It gets 1 thumbs up from me. So far, so good, Apple. We'll wait and see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't know what I'm talking about. Bye. Whole hog.